Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. So, in previous class, I had taught you Unit 13, poem Puppy and I. And I sent questions part also to you, question and answers, exercises. I hope you are all completed that work. Now, today I am going to teach you Unit 14. The lesson name is The Giving Tree. So, page number 101, open. Story, The Giving Tree. Once there was a tree and she loved a little boy. Every day the boy would come and he would gather her leaves and make them into crowns and play king of the forest. He would climb up her trunk and swing from her branches and eat apples. And they would play hide and seek. And when he was tired, he would sleep in her shade. The boy loved the tree very much, and the tree was happy. But time went by, and the boy grew older, and the tree was often alone. Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and eat apples and play in my shade and be happy." "I am too big to climb and play," said the boy. "I want to buy toys and have fun. I want some money. Can you give me some money?" "I am sorry," said the tree. "I have no money. I have only leaves and apples. Take my apples, boy, and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy." And so the boy climbed up the tree and gathered her apples and carried them away, and the tree was happy. Now I am telling now I explain to you the story, children, this page. See, once there was a tree, she loved a boy. See, did you see the picture? One apple tree and a boy. They are very close friends to each other. Every day the boy used to come under the tree and he was playing different kinds. One time he was making the leaves like crowns and putting in her head, and like a king he was playing. And they also, and he used to play hide and seek in the tree. So when he was tired, he would sleep in her shade. Her shade means the tree shade. The boy loved the tree very much, and the tree also loved too much the boy. So time went by day, he grown up, and after that what happened? He was very less time he was coming to the tree. When he came, that time the tree was calling, "Come, boy, come and play with me. Play with and use my branches, use my leaves, and I will give the shade. You will be happy." The tree wanted to make the boy happy. That's why he was telling whatever you want, you use to me. You will be happy means I will be happy. But the boy replied he was now big, too big, climb and play. He was not interested to climb and play, but he want to play with toys. So he want to purchase some toys. So how he get the toys? Because he doesn't have money. That in that time, the tree has given the idea to him, the boy, "You take my apples and sell in the city. You can get the money. Then you can purchase the toys for you." So the boy did like that only. He took the apples from the tree and he sold it in the city, and he got the money and purchased new toys for him to make fun himself. In that matter also the tree was happy, because the boy used his apples to make him happy. Okay. Now children, next page number 102. Turn the page. After that the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. And then one day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy and said, "Come, boy, climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and be happy." "I am too busy to climb trees," said the boy. "I want a house to keep me warm. I want a wife and I want children. Can you give me a house?" "I have no house," said the tree. "The forest is my house. But you may cut off my branches and build a house. Then you will be happy." Then the boy cut off her branches and carried them away to build his house. And the tree was happy. The boy again stayed away for a long time. And then when he came back, the tree was so happy that she could hardly speak. "Come, boy," she whispered, "come and play." "I am too old and sad to play," said the boy. "I want a boat that can take me far away from here. Can you give me a boat?" "Cut down my trunk and make a boat," said the tree. "Then you can sail away and be happy." So the boy cut down her trunk and made a boat and sailed away. The tree was happy, but not much. After a long time, the boy came back again. Now, children, what happened here? See, after that, the boy went from that place, and again the tree was sad, because whenever the boy used to come to in front of the tree was very happy. But whenever the boy went away from that place, the tree was again sad. And then one day the boy again came back, and the tree shook with joy and said, joy means very happily saying, "Come, boy, climb up my trunk and swing for my branches and be happy." That what happened? No, the tree was thinking still now the boy was small child, but not now. He was grown up. He was become a man. First time he came for toys, was to play, young age. After that, now he came, he was younger. "I am too busy to climb trees," said the boy. I want a house to keep my warm. I want a wife and I want a children. Can you give me a house?" Now the boy was asking to the tree, "I want now my family. For family, I want a house. Can you give me a house?" But the tree was telling, "How can I give the house to you? I don't have house. But you can cut my branches and can build a house. Then you will be happy." Whatever sacrifice the tree was doing, he was giving everything. See, before he was given apples, now he is giving her branches to the boy, because he want to make the happy to the boy. And the boy cut off her the branches and carried them away to build his house. And the tree was happy. The boy cut the branches of the tree and build a house, and the tree was happy. To see that one only happy. The boy again stayed far away long time. He was not coming again. Came back. The tree was sad again. After that sound, few days after, again he came back. "Come, boy," she whispered, "come and play." Now the boy was telling, "I am too old and sad to play," said the boy. What? Now he became old and sad. "I want a boat." He wants a boat to go to the far away from that place. So now also the boat was telling, "Okay, cut down my trunk." And first, to make the build, he was given the branches, now given the trunk and make the boat and sailed away. The tree was happy, but not much. The tree was happy now, but not much happy. After a long time, the boy came back again. So after a few days after, when he went back to the outside, he was coming after very long time after. But that time when that tree was giving her trunk to the boy, he was happy, but not too much happy. Because one by one, every parts of body one by one she was giving to the boy. First given fruits, main part of the tree, you know children. Next given branches. Branches means where leaves are grown. They are branches given to make the build. After third time, she has given what? The trunk. Now children, next number, page number 103. I am sorry, boy, said the tree, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. My teeth are too weak for apples, said the boy. My branches are gone, said the tree. You cannot swing on them. I am too old to swing on branches, said the boy. My trunk is gone, said the tree. You cannot climb. I am too tired to climb, said the boy. I am sorry, sighed the tree. I wish that I could give you something, but I have nothing left. I am just an old stump. I don't need very much now, said the boy. Just a quiet place to sit and rest. I am very tired. Well, said the tree, tightened herself up as much as she could. Well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting. Come, boy, sit down and rest. And the boy did, and the tree was happy. Written by Shel Silverstein. Now, children, what happened? Again, last time when the boy was came, now he is not boy, he was an old man. If you see the picture, can understand. But now he was asking, after a long time he came, I am sorry, boy, I said the tree, but I have nothing left to give you. My apples are gone. First time only she was given the apples to sell. Next, my teeth are too weak for apples, said the boy. Now I am not able to bite the apples. My teeth are too weak, said the boy. But my branches are gone, said the tree. You cannot swing on them. Now tree telling, my branches are also gone. You cannot swing. I am too old to swing on branches. Now he was telling, I am become old, I can't swing. But my trunk also gone. Said that you cannot climb. You cannot climb because the trunk also gone. I am too tired to climb, said the boy. I am sorry, sighed the trees. I wish that you could give something, but I have nothing. Means you could give us something, but nothing is there to give. Already one stem with touching the ground, that much only remaining. I don't need very much now, said the boy. Just a quiet place. Little bit place give me to sit. I want to take the rest. I am too very tired. The old man, now the boy became old man. He was telling, now I don't want anything. Just I want a quiet place to take rest because I am tired. Well, now also the tree telling, well, said the tree, straightening herself up as much as could. Well, an old stump is good. The stump, did you see them here, children? The stump is there, the base of the tree part, main part, that one only log, LOG log is there, no? In tree part, that is only stump means log. It is remaining, you can sit and can take rest. Come, boy, sit down. When the boy came and sit on I will send upon the question and answer exercises to you later. Will be now, children, again you have to read the lesson story carefully. You can understand, however, what happened in the story. Wanted to make happy the boy, but boy was the land was the meaning words are there in down the tree 103. So we also, children, we should not show our meaning. Also, you have to learn for the